Hello everyone. So in this video, we will solve this problem based on the concepts of independent and dependent variables. So in this problem, we have to identify the independent and the dependent variable in each of these three relations. Now the first step here is to understand what is an independent variable, what is a dependent variable. An independent variable is a variable whose value is not affected by the other variable. So independent variable is also considered the cause in a relation. Now dependent variable is a variable whose value depends on the value of the other variable. So the dependent variable is also considered the effect that we see in a relation. So the independent variable is the cause and the dependent variable is considered the effect of that cause. So now let's analyze these relations. So the first relation is the height of a candle decreases d centimeters for every hour it burns. So what that means is the longer the candle burns, more will be the decrease in the height of that candle. So in 1 hour, the height decreases by d centimeters, and in 2 hours, the height will decrease by 2d centimeter. So that means as more time goes by, the more is the decrease in the height of the candle. So as a result, the independent variable here is time in hours. Time in hours. Because as time goes by, the candle keeps burning more and more and its height decreases more. So that means the dependent variable in this case is the decrease in height, which is d centimeters per hour. The decrease in height of candle. So now let's analyze the second part. Now in the second part we are given an equation, and this equation has two variables x and y. So in this case the value of y depends on the value of x, because whatever the value of x is, we multiply that value by 3/4 and then we subtract 5 from the result. So in this case the independent variable is x. And the dependent variable is the other variable y. So now we can analyze the third relation. Now the third relation is the formula for volume. Now this is the formula for volume of a sphere. Now we know V is the volume and R is the radius of the sphere. Now as we know, the bigger a sphere is, the greater is its volume. Now the size of a sphere can be associated with its radius. So the bigger the radius, the bigger is the volume of that sphere. So that means the value of V depends on the value of R. So in this case, the independent variable is R and the dependent variable is the other variable, which is V. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.